What's the meaning of beverage? Beverage. Beverage.
Beverage. Beverage. A beverage is any kind of drink consumed by humans. It can be either alcoholic or non-alcoholic, and it can be hot or cold. Beverages are typically consumed to quench thirst, provide energy, or simply for pleasure. Examples of popular non-alcoholic beverages include water, tea, coffee, milk, soda, and juice. Alcoholic beverages include beer, wine, spirits, and cocktails. Beverages play an important role in many cultures and social situations, such as a cup of tea during a business meeting, a glass of wine at a dinner party, or a cold beer at a sporting event. Overall, beverages are an essential part of daily life and human consumption.